Okay, so welcome guys. So welcome to my Leetcode solving section. So please be sure to subscribe to my channel. Okay, so this is 1748 sum of unique element. So basically you have integer arrays and the unique element of array are element appear exactly once. So return a sum of all unique elements. So if you see 1, 2, 3, 2, you get 1 and 3 are unique. So answer is 4. None of it is unique, you get 0. So all of these are unique, so you get 50. Okay, so the idea is that first we need to count. We need to count what? We need to count which one is unique. Okay, right. So the idea is that we use a dictionary. Right? We create a dictionary, and then we iterate the list. If the number is not shown, then we count one. Right? We count it's showing one. If the number is already shown, then we add one. Right? We just want to see that. We just want to say that this guy is non-zero. It's not what, right? And then we create an A. So A is our answer, right? A start from 0. And then we iterate the key, right? We iterate the list, the dictionary. And then for that one, exactly shown at 1 times. And we add that element. So for I in the keys, if the number of the shown is 1, then we just add that number. Then return A. Okay, so it's very easy. We create a dictionary and use this dictionary to count how many times each element is shown, and we iterate the dictionary and check that if that particular element shown is only shown only 1 time, then we just add that element. Okay, so we submit. Okay, it's nice. Okay, we solve it. Okay, I will see you guys in the next videos.